Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just want to share an interesting case study we've got in our workshop today and the beauty of TAP helping us fix this particular vehicle. This particular vehicle, we've got a BMW X3, it's an F25 2013 model. It's come in, no key fob operation, central locking or proximity key working. In this particular case, the case study said since a detail. In Sydney we've been deluged with rain recently, so a lot of water ingress into all sorts of vehicles. This particular case was a classic example of that. So again, without that central locking, no key fob operation, proximity key, etc. There are 7 interior aerials in this vehicle which allow those systems to communicate with each other, etc. So one of those aerials is actually where the problem was. So in the tailgate of this particular vehicle, there's an aerial and an isolator, I'll get the actual wording, proper wording for it, the suspension suppression filter, which is connected to that aerial, and that's where the water ingress was in particular on this one. Daniel Armour put this particular case study up and he was able to track it with an oscilloscope and find out it was that aerial in the tailgate that was cutting out, etc. And when he applied voltage to it, it actually started to smoke, so it obviously had water ingress into it. So it's in the actual tailgate. We've got different images here of the actual circuit board, etc., and the actual suppression filter, which is where the water got in. And the water ingress in this particular case was the tailgate. I know with BMWs, the shark fin on the roof is also another one that can get that water ingress into it. And again, a common problem after heavy rain. So this particular case, heavy rain in Sydney, brought this one coming to a halt as far as central locking, proximity key, all those sorts of things not working on the vehicle. So all fixed up for it now and away to go. So again, a big help to us today was our own website in regards to the repair solution. We hit the site, found a case study very similar to ours, and it pinpointed exactly the sort of things we need to be doing. So again, if you are a member, make sure you're utilising your repair solutions. As I said, we upload 20 a fortnight onto the system, so 10 a week are being added all the time. So the library is growing and growing and growing all the time. So make sure you make use of that. If you haven't got access to it and you'd like to, go to tap.net.au and sign up on the click on the sign up now button. See you next time.